In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a post on the BeReal app. So first thing you need to know is that the BeReal app will send you a notification like this one right here once it's time to post the BeReal for the day. So you can either click on that or open the BeReal app like so. And if you are in the Discovery tab, you can actually see that I'm not able to see any of the posted BeReals until I post mine. So I can just click on here, post a BeReal, or I can just go over to my friends and click on post a BeReal here. So I'm gonna have to allow the app to take photos. I'm not gonna allow location. So there we go. And now right here, I can just take a picture by using this button down here. And I can also change the main camera right here. So now it's using my front camera, and once I press again, it's using my back camera. And so now I can also enable the flash and disable it over here. And so I'm just going to click right here, and it's going to take a photo with my front camera and my back camera at the same time. And as you can see up here, I have 2 minutes in order to create my BeReal. And so now right here, I can also save it to my device. And okay, I'm not going to do that. And here I can now send it, and I can either choose to send it to my friends only, which is on by default, or I can also send it to everyone on the discovery page by pressing this tick right here, and then it will share my position if I have this tick on, and then I can also save it to my device again. So I'm just going to click on send now, and there we go, now it'll post it. I hope this was helpful. If that's the case, please give this video a like and comment down below if it worked. I'll see you again next time. Bye!